Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that another ALAMEDA fraud has been revealed. On-chain data reveals ALAMEDA acquired specific tokens a month before FTX listing. This is how they made some extra money. Then we have here the fact that the FTX collapse could see crypto sector layoffs accelerate because we don't know which companies are, affected by this situation. And we have Visa, which terminates debit card program with FTX. Guys, all this in today's video. So, and if you would like to keep yourself up to date, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and check out the links under this video because there you can find useful ones. Okay, and now let's move on and check out the prices. Okay, so we can see here, when I share the screen, that, well, it hasn't moved a lot, right? So Bitcoin is up 0.64%. About the same Ethereum. So Bitcoin at the moment $16,829 US. Why Ethereum 1,264? When we're looking at the gainers, now crypto.com is coming back a little bit, up 18%, just like Quant 18% up, and we have Trust Wallet token 11%. But we have here some gainers today, and rather gainers than losers. KuCoin token is the only one which is down 4.5%, and Matic down something, and Solana here, but this is just not significant here in the top 100. So not that bad. We have seen pretty bad days. That's what we have behind us. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see here on the daily that now Bitcoin is here between these two levels, between 17,700-ish and about beginning of 16,000, yeah, 16,000, sorry. And yes, so now where we are jumping now up and down a little bit, when we're looking at here the 4 hour, we can see that even better. And but we're not getting stronger and stronger here, as you can see. So we push down and we don't know what's going to happen. It's not because we're looking at the charts and we would like to get the most out of it as we can read it. We just don't know the black swan events which can happen, which companies are affected by this situation, and how it will unfold itself, and any bad news which coming out will, push down the market, especially the significant ones. Now we have one which is all about another fraud, which was revealed, and ALAMEDA did it. Okay, so just let's talk about it real quick. So here we have the evidence. So on-chain data reveals ALAMEDA acquired specific tokens a month before FTX listing. So according to the report, stemming from the blockchain analytics firm Argus, Sam Bankman-Fried's trading firm, ALAMEDA Research, obtained tokens ahead of FTX listing. So report claims that ALAMEDA acquired roughly $60 million worth of token before the digital assets were scheduled to be listed on FTX. The Wall Street Journal's contributor, Ostor, said that the report notes that between March 2021 through March 2022, ALAMEDA acquired $60 million of these type of crypto tokens stemming from 18 different FTX listings that followed. And they're saying here that what we see is they have basically almost always in the month leading up to it bought into position that they previously didn't. It's quite clear there is something in the market telling them they should be buying things they previously hadn't. And this is what they're saying. And this is how this was leaked out. But we do know they kind of work together, and they did know that they're going to list it on the FTX. So basically, they did the pre-sale, and they didn't know the token will pump because of the listing. And $60 million worth of tokens by it's quite a big money. And we don't know what else is coming out. This is just like one thing what I have just for today for you guys. Then the second thing I would like to talk about, that how this, FTX collapse will unfold and how it can have an impact on the crypto sector in the next couple of months. So the situation will happen, this, this scandal by this cryptocurrency exchange FTX, and we do know now that it's not just it's not just FTX, right? We have other 130 firms, filled in for bankruptcy, Chapter 11, and this is just one thing. But we don't know who else is affected by this. So the fall of the crypto exchange FTX and potential resulting contagion could lead to an acceleration of crypto company layoffs in the coming months, recruitment specialist warns. The crypto space has seen 4,695 employees let go in 2022 so far, and presenting 4% of staff cuts across all technology startups. And within the collapse, the FTX since November 2 and its full impact on cryptocurrency space still unfolding, further cryptocurrency layoffs may occur in the months to follow. So what we have to understand here, that what has just happened, we just don't see the end of it yet. And now companies are affected. And because of this, we don't know how they can handle the situation. And because what happened, it can easily happen that they also bankrupt, or some others happening to them, or they just have to minimize the expenses. And because of that, they're going to fire people. So in the crypto space, this kind of thing can simply just unfold. It's not happening immediately after the news came out, what happened with FTX, but in the next couple of weeks, we can see that. So this could be a trend, which is obviously not a good thing. Okay. And the third news is all about that Visa terminates debit card program with FTX. So Visa terminates debit program with FTX, which is obviously not surprising. And actually, the whole thing just has started. So only a month before payment giant Visa announced the partnership with FTX to roll out a debit card program in 40 countries worldwide. So Visa has abruptly ended the program due to FTX's recent insolvency and bankruptcy issues, which is a totally obvious thing. But if you just think about it, that they just wanted to come out with it. They just announced it in October. So guys, we just really don't see, I think, the end of it. We don't have a good view over the whole thing yet, because as Sam Bankman-Fried tweeted that it can get worse. But his tweets recently looked like really jokes. So as this guy just didn't get it, or I don't know, it's just like acting really strange. But unfortunately, it can get worse. It can get worse indeed. And I think this whole situation puts back crypto a lot. Just think about adoption of crypto, how now, some hedge funds, how big companies will now invest in crypto, seeing these kind of problems. And we shouldn't wash together here Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, because Bitcoin is decentralized digital currency. And all the bad things which has happened so far in this case are all related to centralized things. So centralized exchanges, centralized companies, and so on and so forth. And it's very important to understand how the importance of decentralization and what it brings to in our life. And Bitcoin is just affected because simply the crypto market is down. Therefore, Bitcoin price also goes down. But it still shows the importance of Bitcoin, how important to have something in our hands which is decentralized and You can hold it for yourself. Nobody will take it away from you if you're careful, because the hackers are still working. But like you can, self-custody. It's very, very important, and safety. So this shows the true meaning of Bitcoin, in my opinion. Of course, it's not financial advice. What I'm doing here is just educational content, but you just have to think about it and, of course, come up with your own conclusion. Guys, that's it for today. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Have a good one. Bye-bye.